my $9.98 rod and reel from Amazon. Oh crap. They just might be lighter and what was that? I'm afraid to get back in my kayak. Yeah, boy. Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody is, oh, I'm sorry. It's a little wild. Hang on a second. That's better. Woo. All right, so today is Saturday morning, June 15th. It's a beautiful morning. It's 68 degrees. It's supposed to be really hot today, like really hot. But I'm going to the Canoochee River this morning, and you might not can see it behind me, but in the back of my truck, I got my kayak. And I'm going to go meet my sister at the Canoochee River, and we're going to kayak up the river first and then back down it. We're going to go fishing as well. Not sure what we're going to catch really. Hopefully some red breast, obviously. Maybe some crappie, maybe some bass. I'm not too sure. All right, we just pulled up here to the boat landing. Let's see what's going on. With it being Saturday morning and such a beautiful day, nice and cool, there's probably gonna be a bunch of people here, but we'll see. Got a few boat trailers, 3 boat trailers over here to the right. Got one down in the boat ramp, and got 2 over there lined up. And I'm gonna go pull over here real quick. It's a nice little spot where I can drop off my kayak and whatnot, and my gear until my sister gets here. There's a river just down right there. We'll drive into it here. Oh, the river's kind of low. So kayak's unloaded from the truck. I still got a few more things to bring down here, obviously, because it's just the kayak. I have done my gear, but check this out. The river is so low right now. So we got some fish churning right there, but that's upriver and downs this way. So we're going to go up that way for a little ways, as long as we can. I just talked to a guy that was coming back on his boat. He must have been out here early this morning, but anyway, he couldn't go too far down there. He was in a John boat. He could only go up to what they call the bend, and I think that's just after the bridge over there, and it gets very low and very shallow. Like some places my kayak can't even go over if it's that low. But let me go ahead and finish loading up real quick, and let me show you what I'm going to do real quick. So there's my whole tackle box. Now granted, I'm in a small little kayak, and I'm not going to be able to carry all the stuff in there in that small little boat. I'm sure I could if I wanted to, but you know, I don't want to. I don't want this to accidentally fall off, or I need to get me one of those big old fishing kayaks, and then that way I'll be able to store all that junk in there. But what I'm going to do is maybe get 1 or 2 of these little storage bins and convert it into what I'll just use today. All right. Little trash. Thought I heard her. Yep, there she is. That loud truck. Like that truck though. There she is. There's the sun, and we about to get in that river. You can come on. It is real low. Hey, I like the paint job.
Yeah, Donna did it. It looked good before it got stuck.
It looks camouflage now.
Yeah.
Oh, you got your stringer?
Oh, do you have yours?
Here we go. Waiting on one. Don't lose it.
I tried to sit it in there and it
That's your baby. Don't lose that. We're gonna go up that way.
this sucker still floats.
One way to find out. It's peaceful. Feels great. Got my $9.98 rod and reel from Amazon. Oh crap. Throw it in and reel. But little pockets like this, they like, especially when the water gets low, they start to collect.
It's so shallow back there.
But there's spots up here, we hadn't even made it to that bridge yet. Oh, that's pretty deep here.
It's really deep.
In fact, we'll fish this spot on the way back on both sides because it's probably pretty deep on that block too. Dang, still haven't made it to that bridge yet. They just might be lighter and... What was that?
Massive log right there.
Oh yeah, I saw one too. So maybe it's the same fish. Way down there. It wasn't the same fish. Looks like you're having fun. Yeah, you're like knotted up or something.
No. I'm trying to. My slip, where my slip roller was in here, got stuck in that hot wire.
Got it.
I got to put a weight on this so I can actually throw it.
I'm surprised you ain't caught nothing with that guy. Yeah. Working this hole with my 9. Do what? Nope. Red breast, baby. Got one.
Oh my God, look at it, it's a good one.
Yep.
Jimmy, that's awesome.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, that's such a good one.
All right. And no bucket to throw them in. Caught that fish on the 998 Zepco. $9.98. All right, let me see what you got. Oh, they'll love that. I see top bugs everywhere and they're not getting bit. Oh, they are. All right, let me see that thing. Oh, I see that knot you're talking about. Is that what's messing you up? All right. What's messing me up is that it's on the right side instead of the left. That hit my rod. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Oh boy. Rod emergency. Rod emergency. Holy crap. Oh boy. I about lost a rod, guys. Woo, doggy. All right, you're getting in the boat with me. You ain't hanging out like that again. No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. Thank you, branch. This branch is what saved me. Whew. I saw when you guys were coming in, like you bottomed out right at the get-go. Yeah. I was like, holy crap.
I didn't do my homework. I would have went to the lake.
There was one guy who came in right behind you guys and he turned right around and went back to the trailer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, y'all have a good one. Watch this. You can use this worm.
That's good.
Look, I found that.
Lucky that bat failed.
I found that running one time. I don't know. Somebody was fishing with that. Yeah. I don't know. It was at the fishery. I found that at the fishery one day when I was running. Oh yeah. Exploring. What's up? Or do I need to do the leg lift?
There you go. There it is.
I'm curious what's up here. Snakes. I'm afraid to get back in my kayak. Come on.
I'm fine. I just want some padding behind my back and I'm great.
I'll tell you, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this.
What's that hook?
Okay, dokie. Artichokey.
I feel like I should.
Let me make sure all the goodness, okay, all the expensive stuff is on me. Look, I'm a pro. I'm afraid to get back in my kayak. I don't know what. Dang, I got muddy feet now. I'm a profesh. And no. All right, we are parked on the shore a little bit. Let's go see if we can catch some fish with my $9.98 rod and reel. On a scale from 1 to 10, what do you rate this place?
How deep is it?
Let's see.
I give it an 8.
Do a paddle test. There it is. pretty deep.
I give it an 8. It'd be a 9 if I could catch a fish.
It would be nice if you did catch a fish. Oh, it's beautiful out here today. Beautiful. That breeze feels great. Hold on. What'd you say? It was 80 degrees? 90 degrees. And it feels great on the river. I got all kinds of water in here. I'm getting wet. It's soaking wet. Beautiful. Helicopter. There he is. Huh? You got a fish?
That was cool. No, that was cool.
All right, guys, so we are done with the fishing trip today. We got our kayaks back in. We only caught one fish, but we had a great time. It's very peaceful down that way. It's very smooth, very smooth. Any of the bigger boats, like other John boats, they were like dragging the ground and whatnot. But what we're going to do now is going to get the boat loaded up and going to head out and go home. Going to get some lunch and then go home. But anyway, hope you guys have a great afternoon. You guys get out there, have fun, and keep sticking to it. Peace out. I found this cool little bait out there. It's like I don't even know what it's called. Swim bait? I don't even know, but it's got a little propeller right there, so as you pull it along, the propeller's gonna spin. I have no clue what this thing's called, but I'm keeping it. I found it.